Testing, testing, testing. 1, 2, 1, 2. Testing, testing, testing. 1, 2, 1, 2. Testing, testing, testing. Just waiting for the audio to come online. Confirm that this is working. I see the stream has started to receive content. And we should have audio now. Okay, looks good. Alright, good morning, or good afternoon rather. It's Friday, 12:40 p.m. on the 30th of December. And it's a snow day here in New England. Here in like southern New Hampshire anyway. Apparently North New Hampshire got hammered. And their snow is still I think it's tapered off about an hour ago, but we got maybe about 6 inches, something like that. So I had to wake up early, move my car so the plows could get through and all that kind of stuff. And I'm just now just kind of feeling rested. But I think today, for my What's Up Wake Up segment, what am I doing today? Take a look at my couple things. It's Friday. Let me look at my webcam display. Oops, that's the wrong one. Let's see what I'm doing today. What did I do yesterday? Just even the right. I'm doing the end of year cleanup. Did do those. Did this. Oh wait, no, I haven't finished that. So I'm looking down here. I need to update these things for the day. Got the ETP Journal done yesterday in about an hour. I streamed the making of that. I was really surprised how fast it went. Today I need to make the ETP Journal store graphics for Gumroad and what's the other place? The Shopify stores. Then post the I might have to go pick up my glasses. That's an hour away. But the roads are kind of crappy, so I don't think I want to go today. Let's see. And then there's a few other sundry things to do. It's the 15-minute timer here. But after these are out of the way, then I'm actually all my year-end stuff is done. And I can get back to focusing on programming. Haven't been able to do it so far. Just been preoccupied. A piece of snow just fell down. Can't see outside. But it's what I'm thinking about doing right now, in the remaining 14 minutes and 30 seconds, is to just like talk about video games. And so I just got my PC working yesterday so I could stream the creation of the Merchant Task Planner journal because I had to make it on the PC. The reason why is because it uses a XML data file that's generated by Excel, and the XML data feature is only available in the Windows version of Excel. It doesn't work in the Mac. So you can see that in the video that I did there. But now that I have the PC linked into this, I can actually switch from this screen mode to this screen mode, and this is the PC running. If you look over here on this camera, so here I am. This is the Macintosh. These two over here, and then this is the PC, and this is the the high res monitor, the 1440p monitor. That's a adaptive sync monitor running at 144 frames per second. This is a 1080p monitor that is actually previewing out of the PC version of OBS Studio. And that is being mirrored into a Blackmagic input device that's stuck on the back here, back into the Macintosh through the Thunderbolt port. So the whole point of this roundabout way of doing it is I can actually play the game full speed on this and have it mirror back on the Macintosh, which is doing the encoding and the streaming. Quality isn't going to be great, but at least I can do it. And so I just wanted to just test this by just talking about what I'm doing here. And let me update this on the live stream. streaming a bit of The Division on my What's Up Dave stream. So that's in place. Let's go back to OBS Studio over here. And so I've been playing The Division with my cousins. And slide over here. I'll move this camera. It's on top of this now. So I've been playing The Division with my cousins. And it's a game that's... Can I hear it? Yeah, this is on. It's basically a shooter game in post-apocalyptic New York. And I didn't think I would like this game, but it's kind of neat to play with my cousins. So my 3 cousins of my mom's youngest brother, they're out in California. And usually we all don't play the same game, but for some reason we're playing this one at the same time. And so I've been playing this a lot, just to, I don't know, it's been fun. We use Google Hangout to play with to talk as we're playing the game instead of using the in-game chat feature. And there's some interesting features about this game. What I didn't think I would like about it was, even though it's an MMORPG, it's highly instanced. And I thought, compared to playing games like Siege, that it was not quite as fun, or the handling wasn't as good. But it's interesting to see, just like how they've modeled New York. Let me put this in the full screen so you don't have to see my face. So it's been interesting to look up these places. So, for example, if I run over to this location here, this place, it takes place in New York City after some smallpox epidemic has happened. But they have the street signs up there. Let me see if I can find one, and then look this up in Google. I look at the map. Does it actually tell me what the addresses are? Yeah, West 33rd and 8th Street. So let me look over here on the Mac and see if I can look up that view in Street View. Let's see. I need to go back to here. Let me close this. Don't do that right now. And let me open up the browser. That's me browsing. And if I look at New York City, West 33rd and 8th Ave, what will show up? So now I'm looking here on this view. Let me grab the street view. I'm just curious how much this adds up. Alright, so this is a view of it. Let's see. That's that building I was just at. Let me escape out of here. I wish I had a side-by-side. Let's see. Yeah. This looks like about the right place. It's a little different looking. So let me switch back to the PC, and you can see what I'm looking at. So you can see that, I wish I had a split screen set up, but going back between this and, let me show the other one. Display plus chat, or I just want display? Do I have a full display? This and this. We can point this camera. Multicam split. No, I don't happen to have a view set up for it. Oh, maybe I can do this. I'll move this camera over here so I can look at this screen. So that's what I'm seeing over there. And you can kind of see that's the view in the game at this angle. Except it's nighttime. And then if I look on this side, let's see what this looks like on here. Where's my cursor? That's a little bit different. Oh wait, no, I guess this is the same building. What's over on this side, behind this bus? Yeah, so they've modeled it. You know, some of the elements. It looks like a lot of them are similar. Like you can see over here on that bright yellow part up there. That must be that building there. And is that the Empire State Building down that way? Can I actually go there? Let me see. Let's run down here and see if I can run to that building. Cursors. Might be kind of far away. What's this 720 thing? Let me go back to this full screen view and see if I can. I thought I had a regular display mode because I got rid of it. So this one. Oops. Oh, where? This is the. I forgot that. Where was I? This was, we were on 8th Ave and West 33. I think we're running down this direction. Okay, this must be what the building I was at. So if I was at here, which is what? How do I get out of this mode? And there's, well, this is where is this? This is 6th Avenue. And what? 6th Avenue and West 31st. Let's just go look back over here. 6th Avenue and this is 8th, 7th. So I guess we're running down to here. Oh, that's right at the dark zone. Oh, okay. I can see that the. Actually, I might be able to teleport there. I might have unlocked this. Nope, I have not. How about this one? I don't know, I haven't done it on this character. Let's just see what it looks like over there. Uh-oh. So we're just here minding our own business, and there are some levels. Uh-oh. And 1 second, while this gang seems to no one's so mean. This is why I don't go to New York City. Anyway. Garment District. I'm assuming these are actual places. And more gangs doing bad things. These are cleaners. Not very nice people either. Is that it? Guess so. And we continue our tour of New York City. All we want to do is see the Empire State Building. Maybe help a civilian in need every once in a while. Hello. Have an energy bar. Oh, why thank you. I will take this. And what happened there? Someone set off some sort of bomb. Maybe visiting the Empire State Building at night is not the best time to go. Something seems to be marked here. That checkpoint. Flame Roost. I wonder if there's an actual fried chicken place there. But it's been interesting just to wander around. I don't know New York City very well. And now we are at West 33rd and That's a cross street. And 6th Avenue, which I think is here. Let's go back to this view. Let's see. How do I get out of this weird 3D view? There must be some toggle. How do I get rid of this? I just want the regular map. Oh, I click here. Where did I say where it was? This was West 30... No, wait. 6th Avenue and West 33rd. So where's 6th Avenue? There's 6th Avenue. And this is west where 33rd is up here. So I'm here. This is where I think I am. And let's see if we can find this architecture. This looks different. This is that street. I think maybe we're over here. Where are we now? Get out of this map view. User interface here is not impressing me. So I am facing north, looking up 33rd Street. Where's north on this? West 6th Ave. I'm wondering like how much of scale that they've done. Alright, so this should be north. This should be the view I'm looking at. And I guess, oh, that building does look different. So let's go back over here. And we'll have to set this up for... What is this? That's West 33rd. This, I guess this whole area is... Maybe this blocked off part is what I'm not seeing. Yeah, there's a big wall here. And there's the Empire State Building. To the east. Oh, and this is the view I'm looking at. 6th Ave, and there's the 6th Avenue sign. Go back over here. Oops. What did I just do? I just want to see... I guess there is some matching. This is a pretty wide street. There's a Bank of America. There's a little side angle. And there's some shopping districts. But I think a lot of it's been blocked off. This must be the way. This is facing north. I'm looking south here on the map view, so that's this direction, I think. And I think this building here is... There's this weird angled building. Oh, maybe this is where I should be. Yeah, this looks like the angle that I'm looking at. Or, it's hard to say. But it's been interesting. It's like I was wondering what scale they had changed. That's an interesting building. You know, I guess they could play with the architecture a bit, but they kind of capture some of the large elements. I think this is the direction I was looking at. It's a little different here and there. But anyway, that's the Division. It's kind of an interesting game. But I guess that's what I've been doing. Uh-oh, it looks like bad guys are coming to spoil my fun. Uh-oh. What? Hey! I'm just trying to live stream here. These are all low-level characters, low-level enemies. Is that it? Alright, so I'm going to sign off now. So that's what I've been doing, wasting my time in this. Now I'm going to go ahead and do some actual work, get those calendar updates out. So thanks for watching, and I will see you later.